construction manager is a general term that means different things from state to state and market to market. It could be that you are a construction supervisor, the individual that actually supervises and oversees an actual construction site, who maintains a license to do so. And in other situations, markets and states, it means no licensure, but you have the experience, knowledge, and ability to run a construction site. There are specific titles depending on the size of a construction company and the size of construction project we're talking about. If we're talking a very large commercial job site, you could be looking at assistant project manager, and project executive, along with a construction supervisor, all of which maintain the title, in essence, construction manager. But a construction manager is a person that typically is involved with the day-to-day operations of a construction job site. That is a construction manager.